Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 14th, 2020, and on this specific video, we are going to talk about Cardano and try to gauge where the trap is going to try to take the value of this currency. Now, if this is the first time watching our video, you guys appreciate how simplistic our price charts look. And then on top of that, we're giving you information that's very beneficial. We're trying to give you all a heads up as to where the market's going to go before it actually gets there. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and also join us on our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to make sure you do not miss out on any of the other movements that we are tracking in the cryptocurrency space. Now, Cardano. Our last video that we did in Cardano was on September the 9th, 2020, so about 4 days. And you guys can see it already. Our expectations of where we expected the trap to go was for it to go higher in price. But as you can tell, we had a restriction level already in play, and that restriction level has been holding up well. The trap has been unsuccessful thus far into breaking above 10 cents. Now you may be wondering, how do we know that? Because what we utilize is called language analysis. It's not technical analysis. It's not even fundamental analysis. It's language. And the trap, he speaks to you. He speaks to me based off the volume and the price bars. That's it. And once you're able to dissect that language, you're able to profit from the market. So zooming in. September the 9th, we expected the market in Cardano to go higher, and it did. The second day, September the 10th, it came and hit our TP area, and then once again yesterday on the 13th, Cardano came and tagged our restriction level. So 7.72% profit taken out the market and given to you, taken away from him and placed into your own account. It's that simple. That's done and that's over. So let's get rid of this, because I know you may be wondering, where in the world is Cardano going to go now? Because we just really been holding a consolidational range. How is the trap feeling today? Well, since we already know that 10 cents has been a strong area of restriction for Cardano, that alone should give us an idea, a slight idea as to what the market is trying to do. Yeah, it's trying to go higher. Yes, the trap wants to take the value of Cardano higher, but don't expect that until you see price break above 10 cents on strength. When you look at Cardano on a weekly time frame, it didn't do it. It tried, but it failed. And I mean, this restriction level goes all the way back here to the week of April the 1st, 2019. Strong area of restriction, and you guys can see what occurred at that particular moment in time. He got rejected once again at 10 cents. And here we are trying to do it once again. So two things that's in the weakness camp. The first one, the market got rejected multiple days at 10 cents. And then the second thing is, when you look at historical information, Cardano was also unsuccessful at breaking above 10 cents back in 2019. Two strikes already for those who are aiming to see Cardano go higher in price. The monthly time frame, again, you guys can see it. There's no emphasis of market strength right now in Cardano. And for me, we're going to stay bearish or weak in the market in Cardano until we see price break above 10 cents. It's that simple. There's nothing complicated about that. Our focus won't change from the market going lower in Cardano until we see this price break up above 10 cents. I mean, when you look at the market on the monthly time frame, we were in Cardano in an uptrend, right? And now we're on the cusp of breaking that to the downside. This is another thing that you need to be watchful on into the market for the long term in Cardano. We break this ascending trend in Cardano to the downside, then we are definitely in a bearish market or a weak market. So for the long term, once the month of September ends, let's stay focused on where we close, because if we close below this ascending line, we already know. Okay. So back over to the hourly time frame real quick. You guys can see here that, yeah, the market in Cardano is literally just holding a very tight consolidational range, but it lets you know that for the moment, the market feels weak. It doesn't feel strong at all. So let's do this here. We know 10 cents is restriction into the market. And we're going to put just a tad bit of weakness here. Okay, I'm not saying that we're going to crash. I'm not saying that the market's going to go down to 6.5 cents or even 5 cents. All I'm saying is that right now the market in Cardano is weaker than it is stronger. Why? I just told you earlier in this video. So let's play the weakness on this currency. $0.10 is our restriction level, period. Not going to change it until we see the market break above 10 cents. Bring this in closer. Okay. So where can we see the market in Cardano find some support? Right here at 9. So I mean, this is a very tight area of forecast, because literally we can see the market take it both ways. So we'll take a little bit off the market in Cardano at 9 cents, which would be about another 5% market move from where we are right now. But I'm going to extend it down just a little bit lower. Okay. So this is it. The market in Cardano is a tad bit weaker than it is showing the strength at the moment. So that's why we're just going to play the small area of movement anticipated in Cardano based off the trap. Now it's your turn. What do you expect the market in Cardano to do? Give us your forecast, your TP area. What's your bias? Do you feel the market's going to go higher or lower? And then give us your TP price with a comment in the comment section. Now that's it. Okay, now we just sit back and allow the market to perform. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I will talk to you all on our next video.